Looking for the best folding treadmills? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 folding treadmills on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out to see which is in your budget range. At number 3. Weslo Cadence G5.9i Folding Treadmill. 16-inch by 50-inch running deck is cushioned to provide comfort for extended periods and reduces impact on joints. An added option is that you can mount your tablet in the dock to view statistics with the iFit Coach. Program routes via Google Maps, which can be displayed on screen. 2-position manually adjustable inclines included. Thumb pulse sensors monitor heart rate. Space-saving design and cushioned tread belt. Connect your tablet to the treadmill and use iFit Coach to store fitness statistics, and plot a route via Google Maps. Some users find attaching the base unit to the frame to be tricky and time-consuming. At number 2. Sunny Health and Fitness Electric Treadmill. LCD digital monitor allows you to track your progress. Handrails include heart rate monitors, which can be displayed on screen. Wheels helps to transport the equipment when folded. Hydraulic folding system takes most of the work out of unfolding the treadmill. Maximum user weight of 220 pounds. An easy-to-use LCD display helps you keep track of your progress. Hydraulic soft drop mechanism aids you when unfolding. Some users complain the belt needs to be regularly readjusted. At number 1. Nordictrack Treadmill. Large, durable treadmill offers a max speed of 10 miles per hour and a high weight limit of 300 pounds. Includes iFit membership for access to workouts. Stores easily. Includes 2 speakers and a music port. This impressively built folding treadmill focusing on performance is ideal for serious cardio enthusiasts. With stability and high performance comes a high price. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.